Hello mga higala! This is Mr. Bowman bringing you a powerful story of transformation, determination, and education in action. Today, we are spotlighting a game-changing moment in the lives of our future marine professionals, the deployment and closing ceremonies of Bachelor of Science in Marine Biology Interns from Rizal Memorial State University main campus to one of the region's premier training grounds, the Dipolog School of Fisheries. This isn't just another internship, it's an immersion into the lifeblood of marine science, aquaculture, fisheries technology, and resource sustainability. Why DSF matters? The Dipolog School of Fisheries, an institution and a long-standing partner of government fisheries agencies, is more than an academic institution. It is a hub of innovation, research, and community-based practice in aquaculture and marine resource management. Deploying our JRMSU interns to this institution is strategic and transformative. It exposes them to world-class laboratories, sustainable fishery models, and real-time ecosystem-based fisheries management, from hatchery to post-harvest, from field observation to policy documentation. The OJT as a career incubator exemplifies that. This on-the-job training is a stepping stone not just to employment, but to professional identity and purpose. Here's how DSF serves as a career incubator. For the aspiring aquaculturist, the students would gain direct exposure to tilapia, bangus, and shrimp hatcheries, including feeding regimes, water quality testing, and fry dispersion. For the budding fisheries researcher, the data collection, lab analysis, and technical reporting become the day-to-day activities among the trainees. For the environmental educators and extension workers, they are trained to engage communities in coastal barangays and support livelihood programs. For future policymakers and conservationists, they are introduced to the framework of national fisheries laws, BFAR regulations, and sustainable marine practices. The result? They no longer just learn about marine science, they live it in context with accountability. The value of partnership between the JRMSU and DSF spells that this deployment represents a strategic academic industry government partnership. JRMSU is not merely sending students to complete hours, it is embedding them in systems where science meets society, where the local meets the global, and where learning has purpose. DSF does not treat interns as mere observers. They are integrated into daily operations, mentored by marine experts, aquaculture technicians, and researchers. They help monitor stock health, participate in coastal surveys, and even assist in producing IEC materials for fisherfolk. Now, when you see our interns take part in fish tagging, harvest sampling, and hatchery design and outreach education, you see more than skill building. You see confidence, competence, and compassion. They are learning to ask the hard questions. How do we ensure marine food security amid climate change? How can we scale up sustainable aquaculture in coastal communities? What role do young marine professionals play in preserving marine biodiversity? The answers are not found in books alone, but in experience, exposure, and engagement. The three pillars that this OJT delivers in full. To our dear marine biology interns, always remember that your presence at the Dipolog School of Fisheries is not only for hours or grades, it is your first contribution to a much bigger cause, the protection and preservation of our seas, our fisheries, and our future. Our profound gratitude to the Dipolog School of Fisheries and its committed leadership and staff for graciously opening your doors to our student trainees. Your institution has not only served as a training ground, but more importantly, a nurturing space where learning is anchored in real-world relevance, environmental awareness, and community engagement. In your care, our students were no longer just learners inside the walls of the university. They became emerging professionals, conservation advocates, and research collaborators immersed in the vital rhythms of marine life, aquaculture operations, and sustainable fisheries. You have provided them not just tasks, but transformational experiences that textbooks could never fully convey, and for that, we are deeply indebted. And to those watching, Support science, support education, support partnerships that empower the next wave of leaders beneath the waves. This is Mr. Bowman, bringing stories that matter from the coast to the classroom. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more transformative tales of education in motion. Padayon mga kabayani sa kadagatan.